Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Jenni AI. So if you don't know what this is an AI powered workspace to help you read, write, and organize research for these. So if you're a writer, you might want to check this out if it's worth it for you. They offer in-text citations, AI autocomplete, and a lot of different stuff. So as you can see right here, we have it on Reddit. So this person went into detail. Is it worth it? So he basically said that it is worth it depending on how you use it. So this person replied with Jenni AI is very limited, focus on AI writing and a document more than actually giving feedback or tips. Now it is $30 per month if billed monthly. And yeah, it also says here on Trustpilot that they were not satisfied. They were marketing service, awful company, and basically this AI is not a scam, however, but it is not worth it for the price of $30 per month. It is not very worth it. Rather use free AI apps rather than this one, since all of this app is basically just ChatGPT. And yeah, that is basically it. That is my review on Jenni AI. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.